Hey guys, it's Stephanie here. I cannot wait to show you how I make my toffee recipe. I have my beautiful daughters here helping me. I'm just going to show you what ingredients you need. So right here I have 1 cup of almonds and 1 cup of chocolate chips finely ground. I did it in my food processor. The next thing I have is 1 cup of raw almonds. I have 4 cubes of salted butter. I know that seems like a lot of butter because it is. I have 2 cups of sugar, 5 tablespoons of water, and 3 tablespoons of light Caro syrup. First thing you're gonna do is Maisie's gonna tell you.
So I'm gonna get half of this, which is 1 cup, and I'm just gonna pour it on this tray.
So 1/2 of the mixture. You're gonna save the other half to put on top of your toffee once you pour it in here. And just kind of spread it around evenly. You can even kind of shake it around. I'm just gonna use my hands. I washed them nice and clean. Okay, that's it. We're gonna set those aside. And then we're gonna take our stuff over to our saute pan. Okay, now that we're over here, we're just gonna add the butter. Maisie, you can throw the water over here in there. We're gonna combine the butter, the water, the sugar, and the Caro syrup. I'm gonna help you, Avery, open a few, okay?
No.
No, she says no. Okay, she's got this. Okay, we've got the water right there. Okay, get the Caro syrup, Maisie, with a spoon. Pour it in with a spoon. Come over here, Avery. Okay, we'll scrape all that Caro syrup in there. And I have it on medium heat. And I'm gonna let it come to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, we're gonna put it just below high heat and stir it around until it gets a nice light golden brown. I don't know quite how to describe that texture. I can just show you. Okay, I just got it off the heat. It's got a perfect golden color. I wish you guys could smell it. Spread it around a little bit to cover all the chocolate mixture. If you want to get your almonds spread out evenly, you can. They kind of clump in a few spots, but okay. I'm telling you guys, that was it. Okay, I just poured that over immediately. You guys want to finish off and put the mixture?
Yeah. Yep.
Crumble it over the top?
I'm just gonna use my hands.
Yeah, we're just gonna use our hands. We washed them. It's a lot easier to control it. Okay, I'm gonna help you guys a little bit. Maybe one at a time, huh? No? All right, I guess there's no rules here. That's what's fun. Okay, I'm just gonna take the last of this and just spread it over. Okay, go for it, girl. We'll take this little thing and spread it. Okay, that's good. Okay, we're gonna let it sit here for about 30 minutes to harden. And once it's hardened, we'll break it up with a butter knife and then we're gonna eat it. The toffee is nice and hard. It's been sitting for about 30 minutes. I have another child that came out of the woodworks. He knows when sugar is ready. I will. Okay, what we're gonna do now is just get a butter knife and we're gonna break it up into pieces. I have a feeling I'm not gonna have to do much breaking. So, okay kids, get your butter knives. This is the fun part. Okay, I'll hold the tray for you, how about? Okay, you just do it in little chunks. It will kind of break on its own. See? There's a few big pieces. Okay, you can break it as small as you want or as big as you want. Okay, I think that's good. Okay guys, I want to show you a little bit of a close-up here. It's the perfect texture. It's not going to be chewy. It's nice and crunchy. The chocolate is still a little bit soft because I wasn't patient enough to let the chocolate fully harden, but the toffee did, so that's all that matters. I'm laughing so hard at my little girl here. She found the biggest piece on the tray. You don't mess around, huh? Okay, everybody, let's take a bite. You guys hear that crunch? What do you guys think? It's really good, huh? It's really got a strong roasted flavor from those almonds. It's nice and crunchy, but not chewy, like I said. It dissolves a little bit as you're eating it. Has a little bit of grainy texture, which I like in a toffee. All right, let's give these to our neighbors. Pack them up and give them some to our neighbors, huh? We like to share what we make. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you feel a little bit more confident in making your own toffee. If you do, give a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you in my next videos.